comments, guys. Ready? Decepticons over here.
Hey nigga, you said that 2 hours ago.
They said too loud. Too loud. It's on the
Come on, homie. 2 hours ago, really?
Stop with bitch lips. Don't tell you nobody. No. What the? He said bitch. No.
Oh, the business?
Hey, what the hell? You ain't talking about the business.
What? What was that?
Sorry, I'm sober. Not like somebody.
Giddy up, giddy up.
All the time, all the time.
What's the other verse?
You got your problems, baby.
No, that's the one I just sang.
That's so dramatic.
Dramastical.
Dramatically.
What's the other verse?
Good glass.
I'm thinking